Reaching the political target.
Can you not hear my voice? Let me check 1 minute. Actually, my okay, it is visible. Still, am I not audible? Okay. Um, Moving on. Let's do this part of code. Okay, let us understand this part of a code and let's do a sample game. Okay, a very simple game. Let's try to do or let's try to build from what we know already. Okay, it is simple game. Day 13, a simple game. Okay, so first thing in our game, yeah, okay, thank you. So the first thing in our game is it should run infinitely. Okay, so what kind of game we play? We play like a game. Okay, it is like a guessing game. Okay, it's a simple game. Let's try to build it. Okay, uh, parallelly, if you have your notebook, you can note it down. So first let us go for import random, because the game must be of random, otherwise the game will not be so interesting. First let us import the random module. Okay, next one, the game will predict something. Example, the game CPU will predict something. What it will predict? It will predict three, basically three things. It will predict first a number, or an alphabet, or a special character. You can give anything. Okay, it will generate a number or alphabet or special character. What is the player work? Player has to find out correctly what computer has right now. Do you understand the program? Do you understand the game? It is a simple game. I'll explain you once again. Computer will keep any one thing. Example, it can be a number, or a letter, or a symbol. Okay, what we have to do? We have to guess. We have to guess what computer has. Do you understand the game? You have to find out what computer has. Now, if you guess correctly, then score will be increasing. Score will be increasing. If you guess wrongly, then you are out. Do you understand the game? A simple game based on what we have learned so far. Okay, let us start doing the game. I am using the list here. Okay, if it is enclosing in square bracket, it is called a list. Okay, first, while true. Why while true? Because the game should be keep on running. There is no limit for the game. Whenever I am out, then only the game should close. So while true. Dear participants, if there is anything, please raise your hand. Please don't keep on raise your hand. Aravind, do you want something? You can speak, Aravind. So while true. So while true means the game will be keep on running. Arvind, you can speak to me.
ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్.
Yes, Arvind. Okay, so while true, which means the game will be keep on running. And
ఒకసారి అందరూ అయిపోయారు. అదంతా తట్టుకోలేకపోయాను. కానీ నిజంగా ఈ రోజు నా నిజానికి బయటపడింది. నిజం ముగ్గుల చేత
while true. So while true, we have to do a work. So it should be keep on working. So what I do, I'm going to print banner. Okay. So let me first give you banner. So banner means welcome to game. Welcome to guessing game. Anything. I don't name my game. So I'm just giving welcome to guessing game. And then you should give the options to the user. Okay. That is choice. So I'm giving the choice. How am I giving the choice? With the integers. So user can only input the integer. So I should give first one. First one is to play the game, and second one is to exit the game. So far that's all. I'm going to give only two choices to the user. First choice, play the game. Second choice, exit the game. Only two choices. Now, if I press 2, okay, if choice is equal to 2, then the game should break. The game should break in the sense it should be stopping the game. Example, print good day to you. That's all. Hmm? That is the basic outline of the code. Now I run the code. You see here, welcome to guessing game. 1 play, 2 exit. Now I give 5. See, it won't work anything. If I give 1, it won't work anything. If I 2, see, good day to you. Program completed. You can see here, first I enter 5. It will not respond to me. I enter 1. It won't respond to me. I enter 2, then it exits the game. Okay, now I have to create a game so that I can play. Have you understood so far? Any doubts? So far, any doubts? Okay, so if choice equal to 2, it will end. If you see clearly, it is not looking good. Okay, if you are not clear with this, let me run the game like this. You see here, it is not so good. It is so simple. Now I press 1, no response. I press any other number, no response. I press 2, see the game is closed. Okay, so I want to make it in a better way. So what I do, I'm using what I know already. That is replication concatenation. I use replication. So equal to into 10, comma. Why I use this equal to? Because to give, you see the banner. Okay, next, 1 play, and this exit should come to the next line. What I do, I give new line. Next, once again new line, enter your choice. Now I run the code. You see here, it is somewhat looking good. It is somewhat looking good. I press 1. You see here, number guessing here, no response. If you give 2, good day to you. That's all. So completed. I guess it is completed. Now I have only two options. 1 play, 2 exit. If I do other than, it is wrong. Correct. So what I do, else print invalid choice. Now I run the code. See here, if I give 33, is there any 33 option I'm providing to the user? No, I give only two options. That is 1 play, 2 exit. If I give 33, what happened? It says invalid choice. I give any other number, any numbers other than 1 and 2, it gives invalid choice, invalid choice. Okay, if I give 2, the game is closed. Okay, same, I'm giving the banner for invalid choice. How I give? Print um, exclamation into 20. Simply, you can give anything. Now I'm giving wrong choice. See here, invalid choice. I want to get invalid choice in the new line. What I do? I give new line. Now I run. I give wrong choice 98. See, invalid choice. I want to give once again new line, like entire thing new line. So I give like this, new line, comma, this one. And after printing this new line, I run. I give invalid choice. See here. Or if you are confusing, you can print new line like this and print the invalid choice. See here. Oh, sorry, print. I left a T. See here, I get invalid choice. Okay, you give any symbol. I don't mean only have to give this. You can give any symbol. Even like this is also fine. If you like this, go for this. If you go like this, go for this. Choice is yours. You can give anything. You can give anything as you like. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now I give invalid choice. What is next? Going for the game. I'm going for the game. If choice is 1, I'm going for the game. Okay, listen carefully. If choice is equal to 1, what should I do? I am going for the while loop. Why while loop? Because there are two loops. So this one is for playing game, main menu. Whatever I'm displaying here is for main menu. Okay, now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to run a small loop here. I will explain you once again. This is main program. Main important thing. To go inside the game, we need all these things. Okay, once I go into the game, I will be in this area. So I will be keep on playing here only. Okay, if I enter correctly, I guess correctly, what happened? Once again, this area should work. And once I am out, what I do? I go out of this area to the main program. Once again, it will ask, I want to play or exit. Do you understand now? So first loop is for choosing the option. Once I choose the option, I should keep on playing the game. How long I should keep on playing? I will be keep on playing till I am out. If I am not out, I will be keep on playing. That is the logic of this small game. So far we have learned so far. Let's move on. Day 13. Okay, so what happened if choice is 1 while true? So choice is 1 while true. What I am going to do in while true? It will be keep on running. So every time what happened, I should create a new question for player. So CPU guess. It is a variable name. So CPU will guess. What it will guess? It will guess randomly one choice from the list, that is CPU. From this list it will generate or choose one choice from the list. Okay, you get me right? CPU will pick one thing. Out of this, one will be guessed by the CPU. It may be this one, it may be this one, anything. I don't know. So what I do, I will take one with help of random.choice inside the CPU guess. Now, after that, after that, okay, after that, what I do, I will be asking choice from the user. Okay, that is user choice. So user choice. So how I get user choice? Int of input of int of input of um, 1 for string. Okay, I mean 1 for letters. Okay, 2 for numbers. I mean users guess. Okay, 3 for symbols. I'm guessing the game. 1 for letter, 2 for number, 3 for symbol. Enter your guess. You get me? Easy to understand this point. So I'm guessing one number, I mean letter, guessing two for so letter number, and guessing three for a symbol. Okay, after that, okay then, um let's enter this. Okay, now I enter the guess. Okay, after I enter the guess, what should I do? I should compare with the user choice. Like if, okay, this is the most important part. Any guess? How do we link it? Okay, any guess? Any guess? How do I match? Any guess? By if else method? Yeah, correct. I will guess by if else method only. Any other guess? Like any other idea? How to implement the game? Okay, perfect. So CPU guess is equal to user's choice. Yeah, correct. CPU guess. Okay, CPU will be guessing something. I don't know what it will guess. Suppose if CPU guess is equal to user will enter 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what I do, I will create a proper choice, that is equivalent choice, because I'm entering only 1, 2, 3, right? I'm entering 1, 2, 3, right? So how I match? If CPU guess, okay, that CPU guesses, first we have to check whether it is digit, alpha, I mean alphabet, or digit, or special character. So how do I get this alphabet? So CPU guess dot is alpha. If it is alphabet, okay, if CPU guess is alphabet and user's choice is equal to 1, you understand? If CPU guess is alphabet, because I don't know, right, what CPU will guess. If it is this like 1, then it will not be a proper one, sorry. If it is 1, then it will give false. If I have this, then it will give correct answer. Okay, so if CPU guess is alphabet and user choice is equal to 1, what should I do? I should increment the score. So if choice is equal to 1, print welcome player. Game starts now. Okay, just game starts now. After game starts now, let me assign score equal to 0. Initially my score is 0. Okay, after that what I do, I go inside the loop. Why I go inside the loop? Then only computer will guess a game. Now what I do, if computer guess is alphabet and I am also guessing 1, because 1 is alphabet, right? If both are true, what should I do? The score is incremented by 1. Okay, elif. That's all. This is the logic. Elif. If CPU guesses number, that is digit. If CPU number is digit and user's choice is equal to 2. See here, 1 is for alphabet. So 1 is for alphabet, 2 is for number. If 2 is digit, what should I do? I should increment the score. Once again, elif. If CPU guess, okay, I have a question. How to find out the special character? Tell me how to find the special character in Python. Write the condition. Share in the chat box, please. How to find the special character in Python? Write the condition, please. Okay, I'm getting answers. Actually, uh, it's a good try. Not is alarm is correct. Exactly correct. But how it has to be implemented, I'll tell you. Okay, so exactly, you should not use square bracket of I, because I will tell you or I'll explain you how it is working. Anyhow, that's really good try. See, I guess my screen is visible to you all. CPU is equal to 1A at. It's okay. Thank you. Stop typing nonsense. CPU is equal to something. Okay, 1A at. Now, input random. I'm using random.choice of CPU. If you see clearly, this will give only one output. See here, this will give only one output. So you don't want to give the square bracket of I. Directly you can use. Okay, so how do I apply here? Elif not CPU guess dot is alnum. Okay, not CPU dot guess dot is alnum, and user's choice is equal to 3. Then I should increment the score. Okay, if nothing is correct, then what? Print you are out. your score is, comma, score. See, that's all. You build a brand new game. It's a guessing game. See, print, game starts now. Initially score is 0. So once the game starts, it will be keep on running. How long it will run? Till I get something wrong. Okay. So first I try to predict the alphabet. So if I give choice 1 and the computer also get alphabet, so then my score is incremented. Now if I do this digit, choice is 2, then it works. Now every time if you want to print correctly, then I can print something. You guessed correctly. Just for understanding the loop is working. You guessed it correctly, you guessed it correctly. Okay. Now let me save this and run the program. See here, the game is running. Welcome to guessing game. One play, two exit. Now I give any wrong value, invalid choice. Okay. Now once I play, game starts now. See, I'm going to guess. Let me play with someone so that will be interesting. Uh, I need a volunteer. Anyone? Anyone volunteer, please? Can somebody unmute or raise a hand? Anyone volunteer? Anyone volunteer, please? Okay, Chandrika, can you hear me? Chandrika can talk with me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you give me a number? Anyone number?
5,
Guess. No, 1, 2, 3. Anyone?
3.
3. Okay. You see that? Actually, computer guessed something else. You found something else. So what happened? You are out. And once again, you understand? Once again, what happened? It goes to the main program. In main program, it goes to the 1 minute. See, it goes to the outer loop. Welcome to number guessing game. Okay, let me play once again. Once again, yes, please enter your guess.
1,
1. Okay. Once again, you're out. Once again. Okay, let's try once again.
1,
Okay, 1. Once again, out. Once again.
2,
Okay, 2. Once again.
3,
Once again.
1.
1. Okay. You understand now?
Yes,
You
sir.
guessed it correctly. So now what happened? Your score is incremented 1. Okay, good try. Once again. Your score is 1 now. Yes, please try.
3.
3. Okay. Can you see that? You are out. Your score is 1.
Yes.
Actually, it's a bit difficult game because there are 3 different things. Just for your understanding, I have implemented. If you want to make it easy, if you want to make it easy, you can do in other way. I will show you how to do it. Okay, simple game. Let us go for level 2 only, not level 3. Let us give the special character off. Let's take it out. I'm going to guess only 2. That is alphabet or number. That's all. Let's start the game. Just I have commented. That's all. Let's run. Now tell me. I'll play, right?
1,
Okay, play. You should guess 2 options.
2, 2.
Okay, number. Okay. Thank you, Chandrika. Any other participants? Any other volunteer? Any volunteer? Please unmute yourself. Any volunteer? It can be anyone. Now it is easy game. Like Chandrika played a difficult game, but now it is somewhat easy because it has only level 2, only 2 levels. No volunteers. Okay, that's okay. So let's play once again. One. So the game starts now. Okay, it gives two options, whether it is a letter or a number. Let us guess one. So I guessed correctly. So my score is 1 now. So once again, let me guess something. I'm out because it guesses other than that. So this is how your simple game starts working in less than 50 lines. We approximately used only 43 lines. Just 43 lines, you can implement or create a new game in a short while. Likewise, likewise, what I try to tell you here is you can create anything with Python if you understand the basics. So if you understand this particular project, that is very much helpful in understanding. I can improvise the code. Like instead of this 1a at, you can use anything, any number. That is not mandatory. It is only like 77, 86, not like that. Letters, you can use any letters. Symbols, you can use any symbols. Even if you run the game, it works. The working of game is super easy. First, it will start the loop. This is the main loop. This main loop is used to run the main menu, like main program. At once the main program comes, it will give the choices. See, it will give the choices like this. Choice equal to 1, choice equal to 2, or choice equal to 3. That's all. If choice is 1, then it will start the game, take the score 0, then it will run infinitely. When it will run infinitely, it will run like this. Suppose if you want to give life to the player, do you know what is life to the player? Life. Do you know the life based game? Like chances, one chance, two chance. Yes, strange. Oh, yeah. Do you know that life based game? Like chance based game. You have to guess in two chance, three chance. You know that, right? Do you know that? Yeah, giving chance. Do you know that? Like five life. You have to guess correctly in five lives likewise. Shall we implement here? Shall we implement here and show you? Okay, perfect. That is super easy. I'll tell you how to do it. Okay, same thing, life. So life is equal to how many chances can we give? How many chances? How many chances can we give for a player? 5. Okay, Basha says 5. Let's give 5 chances. See now, every time, okay, every time I guess wrong, okay, what happened? Every time I guess wrong, you have to check for the life. So if life is equal to 0, then I should break the loop. Okay, if life is not equal to 0, what should I do? I should reduce the life is equal to life minus 1. That's all. Super simple. If life is equal to 0, then I should break. I'm out, I display the score. Otherwise, I should only reduce the life. Okay, I need a volunteer. Yes, any volunteer. Come on, any volunteer. Unmute yourself, please. Any volunteer. Anyone. Please unmute yourself. Any volunteer? Hello? Hello? Yes? Hello? 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 Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's play the game. Yes, your choice. One, okay? Yes, guess the game.
Two, sir.
Two, okay. Okay, you guessed it correctly.
Number one.
One, okay. Wait, what happened if you... Okay, let's continue. Okay, I did not...
Two, sir.
Okay, two, okay. Because you didn't guess correctly, because that is why it is not showing you guess correctly. Okay, once again.
One.
One, okay. See, you got life less.
Three.
Three, okay.
Two.
Two, okay, you guess correctly.
One.
One, okay. I guess last chance.
Three. Three.
So out. You see that? So when you are out,
Yes, sir.
when your life is equal to 0, it breaks.
Yes, sir.
So this is how it works. But we can modify certain things. Like here, 1 minute. Here, when I press certain numbers, if it is correct, it says you guessed it correctly. If you say wrong guess, print. What we can do, we can write like
Yes.
you lost a life. You can display the life, like remaining life. Okay, remaining life. Now we'll play once again. Yes, please. Um, we'll start over one. Okay. Give a number.
B, sir.
Sorry.
Three. Number three.
Okay, three. Okay, correct guess. Once again, if you guess correctly, the score is added. Okay.
Number two, sir.
Two. Okay. You see remaining four, which means out of five
Wrong.
lives, you lost one. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Number 1, sir.
1. Okay. So once again, remaining 3 lives.
Number 1.
1. Okay. Once again, remaining 2 lives.
Number 2, sir.
2. Remaining 1 life.
3.
Hmm?
3, sir. Number 3.
3. Okay, 3. See, remaining 0 life. Last chance.
Number 2, sir.
2. You guessed it correctly.
Number 1.
See, what happened if the score
Life.
is. See, what happened if the life is equal to 0, it breaks. But what happened when we are trying to give like less than 0? That is the error. What we do, we can write in between. Okay, we can write in between. How we can implement? If we check the life, okay, we start doing the we start checking the life first. How do we check? If life is equal to 0, then break directly. Okay, otherwise only we start doing it. You understand now? We are changing the program. How I do? First I will check life is equal to 0 or not. If life is equal to 0, what I do? I will print you are out and I break. Okay, now otherwise what I do? I do as usual. Once again, let's start explaining the game. First, computer will guess something. We will be asking from the computer, what is your choice? I will guess 1, 2, or 3. Now, what is my life initially? Initially, my life is 5. So, what happened? So, life is not equal to 0. So, else part will work. And then, guess will be working accordingly. Let us reduce the life. Let's reduce the life by 3. Let's play once again. Yes, please. Give your option.
Number 3, sir.
3. Hmm?
Yes, sir. Number 3.
3. Okay.
Number 1. Number 1.
1. Okay. You guessed it correctly.
Number 2, sir.
2. Okay.
Number 1.
Okay. Remaining 1 life.
Number 3.
Okay.
Number 3.
3. Okay. Wow. Correct guess.
Number 1, sir.
1. Okay. Correct guess. Okay. Remaining 0. So what happened? If life is equal to 0, it should close, right? Why it is saying remaining life is 0? Okay. Okay. Let's play. Yes, please.
Number 3.
3. Why it's not displaying the score? I'll check. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for your participation. I guess you understand the game, right? You understand the game?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Maybe I can take this. Yeah, life is equal to 0, else life is equal to life plus 1. Okay, let's play. letter. Okay, it's not displaying. What happened if choice is equal to 0? Okay, I'm increasing the score. Let me check. Okay, let me check somewhere. It's a logical. It's not correct. While true, I'm doing everything. Okay, play letter. Remaining is 0. I'm reducing the life, so it is going up. Okay, what I do, if life minus 1 is equal to 0, then I'm breaking. You understand the logic? How is it giving error? It is giving error because I reduce the life and then only I'm running once again. You get my point? I'm reducing the life and then only I'm getting the now let's check once again. I need one more volunteer. Any new volunteer, please? Oh, okay. Yeah, hello, can you hear me? Hello? Yes, please, you can share your answer. Okay, give your answer. Letter, number, symbol. Okay, Basha saying letter. Okay. Any other guess? Okay, let me give something. Letter, and remaining is 1. Okay, remaining life. Remaining is 1. My guess is 1. See, if the guess is 1, what happened? Okay, let me change like this. Life is equal to 0. Okay, play. Letter. If life is equal to 0, break the. Yeah, it is breaking. The loop is breaking, but it's not breaking exactly where we want. Okay, ignore. Ignore the life. We can implement it later. Somewhere we're missing logic. So life is 3, but this part is not displaying. Maybe I try here. Play. Letter. So it breaks after here. Enter your guess. Okay, that is the logic error. What happened? I first break, that is the error. I should use the break in the last. Sorry for the delay. Actually, what happened? I break first itself. So if I break first itself, then it won't print anything. Always use break in the end. Okay, that is the error actually. Now the game starts. Let's enter your guess 1. Guessed it correctly. Remaining 2. Remaining 1. Remaining 0. Guessed it correctly. See here. I enter a wrong guess, so I'm out. I get score of 2. That's all. That's all. Our brand new game is ready. I guess there are different people in this chat. I mean, in the classroom of the internship program. If a part of members are taking the hand cricket game, I want to give a suggestion. I have a game now, which means we have a game now. A part of a group can take this one as your internship project. A part of you can take this project as your internship program. It's a suggestion. If you want to take a hand cricket game as your internship project, that is also absolutely fine for me. Whatever you are taking is absolutely of your choice. Have you enjoyed the game? Is it easy? Is it easy to understand the game? Like what we have learned, how we have applied? Yeah, I'm expecting your response. Is it easy? Is it easy to apply what have we learned? From the 13 days, whatever we have learned, we have applied. Have you understood the basics? How to implement a game? Okay, I get variety of responses. Yeah, that's great. So what I would like to suggest here is super simple. When you have understood a small concept, like very small concept, only strings. With help of strings, you build a beautiful game. Even in C here, I would like to show how can you create banners. Okay. Um, See here, you can search for banners for CLI in Linux. If you go for this search, you can have a lot of things. How can I make ASCII banners, banner command, etc. Let me have banner command. There are so many banners available already. Okay, but what we have to do, we have to create a banner. Okay, so let's create it. creating ASCII banners online. Okay, I guess you are clear. Creating ASCII text banners online. I'll copy the paste. I'll copy paste and share the link. Okay. Now, what I want to create a guessing game. Okay. Okay. I guess you can see the banner here. Now, there are so many designs here. I'll give next. You see here. Next. Suppose I like this guessing game. So GUESSEI. See, there are so many different fonts available. Um, Let me choose something classy, neat. Okay, guessing game. Now we have a lot of options available. Now this is how the game banner looks like. Okay, now what I do, I copy the banner. Okay, copy the banner. Okay, I go to Python. Listen carefully. I go to Python. See here, you have the game, right? Number guessing game. Instead of this, what I do, I use triple quotation and paste close triple quotation. That's all. Now I save the program. I run now. Can you see here? Can you see here? This was the original text what we had here, and this was the output I'm getting. Have you understood how to get this banner in your CLI? Have you understood? Please do respond. Have you understood how to give a banner to your customized game? Now, I'll explain you once again. No problem, Narendra Kumar. You go to this website, okay? Create create a CLI banner, okay? Let me change, okay? Let me change to my name, okay? Let me choose different font. Um, narrow, anything, whichever is available in your comfort zone, you can pick it up. There's not a fixed rule. You have to use only this, only that. It's not like that. Whichever you like, because it is your own game. Okay, suppose I like this. Let me take normal. Okay, fit, east. Okay, it's very big. Okay, now what I do, I copy banner. Okay, I go to my script. I add a triple quotation. I'll do it once again. Okay, I use print triple quotation and paste I paste it and triple quotation in the end. That's all. Now I run the code. You will get the output as you have pasted. Actually, it is very big. It's very big. That's why it is showing like this. So better go with small ones. Maybe this one. Copy, paste. Okay, see ya, it comes. So it depends on you which kind of banner you are choosing. Once you choose the banner, you can just copy paste it. That's all. If you choose the copy paste style, then automatically your game will be getting a different kind of look. See, this one is also available. This one, anything is available is for you. You can try it out. Even you can try your name also. As you're doing your name, you can try it out. Whichever you feel okay, I want this. Then you can go to copy banner, click OK, and go to your Python script. Inside the Python script, copy everything before the triple quotation and paste and run. Once you run, if it is in your size, then you can see here. See here, you got the output. Then as usual, your game playing will be going up. You are out. So you are out. Then you are displaying once again banner, and the game is completely okay. Have you understood? So what is your task? I'll give you time. I said you have assessment, right? I'll give you time. So I'm not going to upload this file to you. Obviously, today's class you will get only the recording. You're going to prepare a game, okay? Whatever the game I have prepared in front of you, you're going to prepare maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Friday, I'm expecting the submission. So I want this game to be submitted under your banner like this. I want your name to be in your banner and submit it. By Friday, I'm going to evaluate it. So Friday, I need the exact project because this is your final internship project. Once you have done this project, then only you can understand the purpose of working. In between, if you have any doubts, we will have a session once again on Thursday or Wednesday, maybe Friday, to make it work in a better way. So your test I'm going to give you for the 3 days. It is actually a big test for everyone in this internship program, because when you simply listen me or watch me or what I'm doing here will not be helpful in your interviews. If you build something of your own, then only it will be helpful to you all. So the code logic is given to you. That is super simple. Very first thing, you have to create a loop. First loop, it will print a banner. Second loop, which will run your program. So all the very best participants, I want a soft copy. Okay, I want a soft copy to be attached, and it has to be work in this way. Do you have any doubts in this program? So this is your assessment, I mean the test. So this test will be carried out with the 3 days, that is 9, 10, and 11. Those who are passing in the test only can continue the next things. Maybe in a week, maybe 26 or 27, we are going to implement one more internship game like this. Whatever we have learned so far, we will be implementing an internship one more project. So basically we are planning to give at least 3 projects to you. Basically we are planning to give at least 3 projects to you. It depends on your complete cooperation level. How much ever you are so cooperative, you can receive a lot of good hands-on practice in Python. So all the very best participants. Shall we move to the next topic? Because today's class is like a cumulative test, that's why I'm conducting a long time. Shall we move on to the next topic? just for 10 more minutes. It's okay, let me create a poll. Can we continue the class for 15 more minutes? Yes, no. Okay, I give a polling. It's okay, don't send in chat box. Send in polling. So nobody knows who answered. There are 68 members in the class. I want 68 votes so that I can close. If I get less votes, then I'll continue. Just 15 minutes. Only 30 attempted. I need 68 votes. No, I'm creating once again. Uh, Continuing class. Yes or no? I want all the 68 members to poll. Because you don't get consecutive classes. Once you submit the test only, you'll get the class. Okay. Okay then. Uh, let's move on to a simple thing. We are going to start with the list. Okay. So same program, only one simple topic. Just hold on for 10 minutes. I'll finish it off. So list. First one is a string. Second one is a list. Okay. Similarly, both are common things. What are the common things in the list and string? Just a small topic. So list means that is enclosing in square bracket. String means that is enclosing in quotation marks. Okay. Now, what are the common things inside the list and string? Very first thing is length. You can find out the length of the string with counting the characters, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. Same way, you can count the number of characters in the list with help of commas like 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. That is indexing. Both are common with the indexing and both are okay with the slicing. The new one is membership operator. Membership operator means this will check for the presence of things inside the string and the list. Okay, that's all. That's all today's topic. I'll give an explanation. Now I'll show the demonstration. First demonstration, A in apple. Is it true or false? True. How is it true? Because A is inside the apple. Now let me give one more example. Pen in pencil. Is it true or false? True or false? Pen in pencil. Come on. True or false? True. True or false? Yes, it is true. Okay, that is one operation. Now A not in apple. Okay, the next question. A not in apple. Let me change the question. Okay, in chat box. Oh, sorry. A not in apple. Is it true or false? False. You are right. A not in apple is false. A not in apple is false. Yes, this is called a membership operator. Now, in list, what we can do? We can do in the same method. A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, what I am doing? A is inside the list. A, B, A, C, B, whatever. That is true. A is not inside this A, C, B, D, G, F. Then it is false. That is how it works. Next, once again, we have the concatenation. Concatenation means adding two strings together, two lists together. Example, A plus B. That is AB. List means list of 1, 2 plus list of 4, 5, 6. Then it is list of 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. This is called concatenation. This is how it works. So when we meet next time, see, you will get one assignment in Wednesday. Okay, you will get one assignment in Wednesday and you have to submit your project in Friday. Maybe Friday or Saturday. I'll explain you. I'll confirm the date. You have to finish a simple assignment on Wednesday. Saturday, you have a project submission, that is number guessing game. Likewise, we have a character guessing game. We have special character guessing game. You have to submit it on Saturday. If you submit the assignment, then only we can proceed. Okay, so let's wind up the today's session. Thank you so much for your patience and cooperation. Have a nice sleep. Thank you all. Good night, everyone. And don't forget to submit your project. You will get only the recording. Okay. Good night, participants. Thank you all. You can leave now. That's all for today's class. All the very best for your project, first project. Do it very well. Good night, everyone. You may leave now. Good night, all. Have a nice sleep and try to submit the projects on the time of Saturday. Good luck, all. Bye. You may leave now. Yeah, take care too. Walaikum assalam. Bye. No need to post here. You may leave now. Thank you all.